Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin and Ethereum bounced back last night, which is great. Trades now in profits. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now, Bitcoin sitting at 95,100. It came up to 95,800 a few hours ago. We had a big spike down to 93 yesterday and then just sideways chop and then a little bit of a pump last night. Volume a little bit increasing, but nothing major. People discussing, they're saying that the RSI has reset in the Telegram, the crypto guru chat. You can join them. They're saying that the RSI has reset on that recent drop. 3.4 trillion market cap, 941,000 viewers. Bitcoin price.live. You can set it up on your TV as well. 60K bonus with Bybit if you use this QR code. Greed 73, so we're still in greed right now. Bitcoin dominance 52%. Funding fee negative 94,900, and you saw Bitcoin just spike down a little bit and get a bounce back. About 1 hour ago, we hit almost 96,000. Volume a little bit increasing in the last 15 minutes. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My account now back over 1, which is amazing. But wild ride this week from 115 up to 101, 1.1, back down to 100, back down to, it was 996 yesterday, now back to 1001. In the last month from 977 to 1001, so about 23K this month, but I gave back almost $288,000 from this account. I went all the way up to 1.288 and then gave it back the last 2 weeks, unfortunately. Very bad. I traded pretty bad. Like, it was difficult. A lot of people would have lost everything actually in that chop. It was like brutal chop. But my trades are now, my Bitcoin trade from last night's video, $715 in the profits. My Ethereum trade, $926. They're smaller trades. I reduced my trades and I'll slowly enter back into positions. Let's go into the technicals. I'm only going to be watching closely the 4-hour technicals on Bitcoin. Altcoins, not much movement. Dogecoin, a little bit of a bounce. Bitcoin 95. On the daily, we have 1 day left of the week. 22 hours remaining of the week. To be honest, not such a good weekly candle. Crypto Guru bot, still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023. You get it at jamescryptoguru.com in the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell last week, and it's going to confirm that sell today. And the RSI is trying to turn down, which is not so nice. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily, RSI slightly oversold, like coming down to oversold, and we've got this big pattern. This is why I opened a long yesterday on Bitcoin. You can clearly see this descending triangle is forming. Descending triangle. The base stays strong and it bounces, builds pressure, and then gets squeezed and breaks out. I entered the trade yesterday and now it's in profits, which is beautiful. It's the RSI heading up, volume a little bit dropping off going into New Year's. Let's see how we do on New Year's. They can use the New Year's volume to attack the price actually. Let's go into the hourly. This descending triangle is playing out. We got a bit of a bounce from where I opened yesterday. Any other major pattern? Not really. I would keep the same trade, 94239, stop loss 91916, take profit 110, risk towards 7 times, risking 2,300 per Bitcoin to make 16,500. For any shorter term trades, I would say there is no major pattern right now that I'm seeing. We've just got this slight channel. So if you want to take, I would keep that same trade as yesterday. For smaller trades, very tight stop loss, maybe off this channel is a possibility, but it is more risky with a tight stop loss off this channel. And then take profit the same target. Risk toward is 66 times, risking 241 per Ethereum, per Bitcoin, 241 to make 16,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage would be 160,000. But it would be better, in my opinion, to try to be safe here, because we could easily get a safer trade, I would say, is off this here, this previous, where it came down to 92. Because you can see we could easily get a triple bottom here. Those are the trades I would take on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, 3-3. We got a bounce back on Ethereum from yesterday. We bounced back from 3,300 to 3,400 almost. You can see this rising, ascending triangle. These break to the upside, build pressure, and break to the upside. So on the hourly, we've got a bit of upside potential. On the 4 hourly, the trade from Ethereum yesterday, also nice. 4 hourly, still a bit of a bear flag. Safest place to still take this trade, in my opinion, is off the weekly support. We could easily get a spike down. I would say 3,280, stop loss 3,200, and then take profit, I would say, all the way to the bull market target of 8,000. Risk towards 62 times. If this is the bottom, I'm trying to catch it close to the bottom. 3,280, stop loss 3,204, and take profit 8,000. W formation on the 4 hourly, and then if that plays out, then we could break out of this triangle, target 4,000. On the daily, could be head and shoulder, not really. RSI is a bit oversold on the daily. On the weekly, RSI is heading up. Interesting. So Ethereum looks quite good, actually. I would set a trade maybe at 3.2 just to add more to my Ethereum trade. Another 10 Bitcoin add at, say it breaks to the support, 3,200. So at 3,200, I'm going to add another 3,200. I'll add another 10 Ethereum to the trade. Open 3,200. I'll add 10 more Ethereum. It'll cost me 1,600. Let's do 20 Ethereum. And slowly build up this position. Confirm. And those two trades are in profit. I've also got all these orders down. Ethereum 3,200. Ethereum 209. Ethereum at 2,800. Uniswap at $11.20. Uniswap at $10. World at $1.60. Doge 26. Bitcoin 70, 87, and 90. These are all my trades, and my account at 1.002, reclaiming the million, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Join us in Telegram as well. There's 208 of you online. People discussing, sharing the RSIs. James, you are our guidance. We are with you, win and losses forever like family. Thank you very much. Beautiful message. NVIDIA, lowest holiday weekly volume in nearly a decade on NVIDIA. Very dangerous, actually. Rising wedge he's showing. Rising wedge. Anyone knows? Comment down below what you think. Rising wedge. People discussing, trading together. I want you to all to learn from my trades. Try to learn what I do. You have to make your own decisions. I want you to understand what you're doing. Thoughts on WorldCoin? I've got those orders at $1.60. Stay strong, James. Thank you. James, can you chart SKL? Yes, if there's more requests. My goal is to build my account to be like James. Beautiful. James, I'm glad you're showing your ups and downs because it makes me feel better about myself when things go against me. Yes, you need to learn from them. You can't just ignore them. You have to learn from these lessons. And all the links are down below if you want to trade like you're seeing me do. Weex is giving away big bonuses right now. For users in North America, Europe, and Australia, they're giving a $200 bonus on sign up, a $820 deposit bonus after depositing and transfer, and trade. You can get up to 18,900 in bonuses. The links are down below. Weex $200 sign up. Bitunix is giving $5,500 sign up. It's an exchange that can be used by anyone or anywhere in the world. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. Join us in the Telegram, everyone. It's free, and that's my updates in the market. I'm being defensive. I'm going to build positions on spikes down. I still think we're in a bull market. I think it's just on pause during the holidays, but I am going to be more defensive and slowly enter in positions. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and a turn on the bell. Wild year this year. If you've been following my videos, we were buying Bitcoin in the beginning of the year. I think it was like 30 or something, 20, 30K. Last year we were buying it at 16K. We remember when I had that 40 Bitcoin trade open at $19,000 per Bitcoin. We had big drops in March. Remember when I said to get out of everything in March when Bitcoin was at 70K, and then it massively dropped. All the altcoins dropped. Bitcoin dropped massively. And we got out and then put it all into Tesla. And then Tesla went up on a massive rampage, up almost 300% this year since we were buying it since March. It was at $141 when we went all into it. Now it's almost at $450. Then we were buying Bitcoin and crypto again as it ran back up into the bull market. We went to 100K. Amazing year. Love you all. What a journey. Learn from me. If you've been with me for more than 5 years every day making these videos, I love you all. I wish you the best. I hope you help to make the world peaceful and better, and enjoy the year and your New Year's with your family, and hopefully we get a big Bitcoin pump and crypto pump into the new year. Love you all. Have an amazing year, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.